Hey guys, this is the other intro thing I think I need to do. This is part 2 of the Content Network Special Edition Finding Dory reaction review featuring Doc. Why do you yawn in every video? This is part 2? Yeah, I think this is part 2. Go over Content Network for part 1, alright. Right. Yes, Finding Dory.
Finding Dory. We've been there, the first screening, we've seen it out of the midnight screening.
Yeah, the first screening.
Driving home at like 2 AM.
Doing the review. We flew to America to see it, like a month in advance.
And obviously, driving on the wrong side of the road. Because we're on the right side of the road because we're in America.
Yeah.
Yeah. And obviously it's great. Everyone's back.
You flew your right-hand side car over, didn't you?
Yeah. Dory's great.
Finding Dory.
Dory's back.
Dory's back. The characters from Finding Nemo.
They're all there. They even redo some bits of Finding Nemo, they were my favourite bits. When you resaw the scenes from Finding Nemo, but now from Dory's point of view. And I was hoping the whole film was going to go that way.
I was like at the start. There's like the very start bit, and then it goes into that. I was kind of like for a second I was like, oh, is this Finding Nemo?
Yeah. And then I realised that I looked at my ticket at that point, and I was like, oh yeah, it is Finding Dory. I
went up to the projector guy and I was like, excuse me, I thought we were meant to be watching Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
I mean, I was
Finding Dory.
Yeah, and then it was my favourite bit was Hank.
Hank was great, obviously the villain of the piece. But every film needs a great
true
villain.
Disney antagonist.
A true Disney antagonist. You know, he needs to get them. He needs to stop Dory.
His motivation. You know,
he needs to thwart Dory.
Interesting. You know, it's like a three-dimensional villain.
Yeah, he's a
films,
guy who has to stop Dory. And we're not really clear why, but that just makes it even more captivating.
We're getting the spoilers.
We're getting the spoilers territory.
I thought it should have been called Finding Charlie and Jenny.
Yeah. It's spoiler territory. Charlie and Jenny are the two characters who need to be found.
Not really Dory.
Not really Dory.
Finding Pecky as well.
Yeah.
How to find Pecky a couple times.
It's great because it explains some of the things that you don't understand. Like Finding Nemo is a good movie because it explains things that didn't make sense in Finding Nemo. Because in Finding Nemo, Dory can speak whale. Dory, you assume, was a child at some point, and has this song "Let's Keep Swimming," and there's other things, and whenever those things happen in the film, you're like, I don't get it. I don't get it. And then they didn't want to make this movie, but they had to retroactively.
I think this one was like a service to all the Nemo heads, you know.
Exactly.
Because like even though like Finding Nemo is a good film, there was a lot of questions
and threads that left hanging. But problem is now we've got that again. For every question they answered, they kind of asked another.
Asked two more.
Yeah.
Right. Finding Hank 2013. We've got to wrap up, right?
Okay.
This has been the Content Network special, the Finding Nemo review.
Just a big, Finding Nemo is back.
Alright. We'll now react.
I feel like I could have done with like the fish from the first one.
Yeah, I would have.